Hi, Teak Tigers. We are wrapping up our Math Facts series with our times nines facts today. So we are going to be going over the times nine facts. Now remember, the goal for all of this, guys, is for you to memorize these facts and be able to figure them out really, really quickly. That's why I flash each problem only for about 3 or 4 seconds before you see the answer. And your goal is to try to get it at the very same time or beat the video answers because you want to get them really quick. Now, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to figure it out, but remember, you want to go to maybe multiplication.com or use this video or get another app or something to practice, practice, practice until you have these memorized so that it's a lot easier for you guys next year when you are doing more complex multiplication and division. But in the meantime, I'm going to give you a couple tips on how the nines facts work as you are learning them. So you can use your tens and your ones and subtract, which is a little different than the adding that we've been doing with some of the other facts. Or there's a really cool finger trick that a lot of people find helpful. Personally, I use the tens and ones. Okay, so let's use that an example of 9 times 7. So I think about the fact that 9 is almost 10. It's just one away. It's a lot easier for me to multiply by 10. So I think about what 7 times 10 is, and that's 70. But 9 is 1 less than 10. Okay, so I want to think about what 7 times 1 is, and that's 7, and I want to take that away from the 70. So you've got 10 sevens, and you're going to take away 1 7, and that'll give you 9 sevens, which is 63. That's what I do for my nines. I think about the times 10, and then I subtract 1 and 1 more of that number. But there's a really cool finger trick that maybe your parents or your teachers have used to learn their nines facts. And so the way that works, if you haven't seen it before, you count you hold your fingers out in front of you and you count from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And so you use the number that's not 9, in this case it's 7, and you count forward to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you put that finger down. Okay? And then all of the fingers in front of that break, that finger that's put down, are your tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You have 6 fingers in front, that's 60. And then your fingers behind your finger, your break, or the finger that's down, are your ones. In this case, it's 3 ones. So 60 and 3 gives you 63. And you try it out, guys. You can use this for any of the nines facts. Just start counting from over here, put that number down. The number of fingers in front is your tens, and the ones in back are your ones. It's really cool. But again, our goal is memorization, so let's get started with our flash.